Hi everyone, this is a quick video for your Week 2 skills and activities in Second Life. The first instruction tells you to go to Escobir Park, and this is what Escobir Park looks like this week. It's been set up with a series of teaching tools ringing around the park. Now, the easiest way to get to Escobir Park is to set this location as your home. Now, I have added you to the list of residents in Escobir Park. This is the list that I have right now. So if you recognize your name there, your avatar name, that means that you are on the list of residents. Since you are a resident here, you are able to set Escobir Park as your home. To set a location as your home, go to World and pull down to Set Home to Here. And this will be your home, and this will be where your avatar lands whenever you log into Second Life. You are ready to begin your exploration of Escobir Park. The instructions say for you to collect a note card from each of the tools. And to collect a note card from a tool, all you do is to click on the little info card setting. We'll click on one. In the upper right hand window, you're being offered a note card. To keep that note card, you click on Keep, and then that note card is automatically added to your inventory. To copy the note card, you simply place your cursor and highlight the information, including the landmark, then type Control-C on your keyboard, and then you go to whatever kind of document that you're going to use to turn in. You can use a simple text document if you wish, and simply copy and paste that information into the simple text document. So that's how you collect note cards. The instructions also say for you to acquire a copy of one of these tools for your inventory. To acquire a copy, you will find a landmark in almost all of the note cards. There are a few of them that do not have it, and that means that I have copies of that tool that I'm able to give to you if you want them. To go to the vendor's location, you simply click on the landmark in the note card provided to you. Here is Shop on Education Island 2. Click on it. You're being offered a teleport to that location. You click on Teleport, and then you will land at the vendor's location. And here at the vendor's location, you simply go ahead and buy. In this case, this is Dudney's shop. In this case, you can simply take one of these by right-clicking, and it's asking you to buy. These are free, and so as you're seeing, I'm buying it for $0. Your next instruction is to take it to the Sandbox on Association Works Island. In the last chat, I gave everyone a landmark to the Sandbox on Association Works Island, and that is the sandbox, one sandbox that you can use. There are a lot of public sandboxes throughout Second Life that you can also use. Just as long as you're getting some practice, that's fine. So here is the landmark to the Association Works Sandbox. And as you know, to teleport using a landmark, you simply double left click on it and you will teleport to that location. Okay, here is the landing port for the Association Works 2 Sandbox. As you can tell, some members in class have already begun working on their final projects, and that's great. The person who is supposed to clean out the sandbox, Carly, she knows that you guys are students, and so I think she's giving you a lot of slack in terms of not cleaning out the sandbox. I think that you'll be safe for the next couple of weeks on leaving your items here. But be prepared that she might need to clean them out. Whenever she cleans something out, she simply returns it to your inventory. It's not actually deleted, but it's necessary because of the what's called the prim count limit that Second Life places upon all landowners and sandboxes. So this is not something that's being done in a malicious manner. It's a simple matter of whether or not a certain area has reached its server limit, its space limit on Second Life servers. To use the sandbox, you simply go to your inventory and find the thing that you just bought or acquired a copy of, and you simply left click on the brown cube icon and drag it to your avatar's feet, and that will res it in. To manipulate it, you use your edit tools, and that means first right clicking on the object to open up the context menu, clicking on edit, and then you do everything from the edit panel. This set of tools moves things in a vertical and horizontal direction. You can also move things in a 3D, as in computer assisted design, by holding down the control key, and that opens up the 3D manipulation tool, in which you can manipulate things in all of the dimensions that you wish to manipulate them in. There are plenty of videos out there that I've put out there on how to manipulate these objects, how to configure these different objects. And that's how you put a note card in something. You simply go to your note cards inventory, click and drag it to the contents pane of that object. And now whenever I click on that object, it's going to try to give me a note card. And now it's going to try to give me 2 note cards, because that's how many note cards I put in there. To take a snapshot of your avatar, you simply place your avatar next to your tool, press down the Alt key, spin your camera around, and you take a snapshot by going up to File and pulling down to Take a Snapshot. Probably the easier function is Snapshot to Disk, and that means that it's going to put it directly on your desktop or your hard drive, whichever one you have selected on your computer. Okay, good luck on these assignments. Talk to you later.